Hey everyone, it is Sparkle, and I am back with a DIY with a few items that I picked up from Dollar Tree and Rose's discount store. So, to do this DIY, I did purchase a few cylinder vases from Dollar Tree. You guys know that these cylinder vases at one point were $1 a piece, but I paid $1.75 each. So they're still affordable, but yeah, the prices has went up. So okay, so I bought this three-piece candle set from Rose's discount store. It was really affordable, and I mainly purchased this set for the black part of the candle holder. Here are the other pieces that go with the set, but I will not be using them for this particular project. I will use it for another DIY later. So I'm going to take this E6000 glue and put some on the candle holder, and I'm going to attach it to the cylinder vase. Now I will change out the glues later in the video, you will see that, but this glue, for some particular reason, it does not stick as well. I have used this before, and every time that I would use it, I will have to change it out for my other E6000 glue, which you will see later on in the video. Okay, so this is the E6000 glue that you're going to need to do this project. So don't even bother using the other E6000 glue that's in a silver tube. The red one, I'm telling you guys that it holds anything. And you can get it for like $7.99 at Home Depot, Michael's. And the candle holders turned out beautiful. Now I have some real wax candles in them, but I wouldn't recommend the wax candles unless you just want to use it for decoration. I would recommend the LED candles, but look how beautiful that they turned out. So you can do so many things with this. I am excited. I think some vase fillers will also look nice in these candle holders as well.